Welcome back to my channel. This is your girl, Miss Jack. Today we are at Jewel Paradise Cove in Runaway Bay, St. Anne, Jamaica. We're on the room tour. Come along with me for the ride. Here at our room, it has been cleaned and sanitized for protection. So we are in. The first thing you see, that's the king size bed. Yes. And then you have the closet. You have an ironing board, hangers, a safe, and the area to store your luggage. Then you have the fridge. It's supposed to be the fridge inside here. Little drinks, whatever is inside there. The king size bed. Your TV, and a relaxing chair. Yes, and it is cold inside here. We're going into the bathroom. The bathroom is sanitized. There you have it. Yes, and I love this. It is cozy, lovely decor in this bathroom. I love it. Yes, it is nice. You have your towels. Looking good. And then there's two chairs. There are two chairs here. We're going on the outside. Yes, it's the patio. And guess what? We have a swimming pool. The swimming pool. Yes, I'll be spending my evenings out here. Isn't this lovely? Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. We're gonna enjoy ourselves. So here we are at another room which is well sanitized and clean. This room has two single beds, or it looks like a three-quarter bed. And you have, this would be the closet. You have an ironing board, an iron, hangers, safe. And then you have towels for the beach. Then you have the fridge. It'll be down here. Have drinks, whatever. And then you have these champagnes. When you see these champagnes, you know these boys are going to shut it down. Oh my God. Have mercy on them. Yes, Lord. Yes, and then you have a TV, television, AC. Have the AC. And then you have a single couch on the side there and your table. You can do your bookwork or whatever. And this would be the bathroom. I love the bathroom. I spend a lot of time on this bathroom. Yes, sir. I love it. I love it. I love the decor. I love the tile. This is nice. Yes, yeah, towels. Yes, yes, yes. I love it. And the toilet is being sanitized too. And then I'll be going outside. If I can open this thing. Pull the door. And then we go outside. So we are at the pool in the night. Yes, this is lovely. You can go for a swim if you want in the night. This is so beautiful. So you have an area where you can hang your towels and your bath suit or your bath trunks, anything that is wet. And then you have a seating area. You have your chair and a little side table, so you can have a drink out here. This is so cozy. I love it. It is just so simple, quiet, and nice. An encouraging word for the day. Every morning you have a new opportunity to become a happier version of yourself. Don't forget now to subscribe, like, and share. Hit that notification bell so you'll see another video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.